In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to extend a song inside of UDIO. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up UDIO like you usually would. Then from here you need to find the specific song that you want to extend. Then from here you need to go over and hover over it, where you can see this button here called extend. And when you click on that, it should be looking something like this over here, describe your song. Then from here you can go down to extension placements, where you can select add intro before, add section before, or add section after, or add an outro. You can only choose one of these at a time, but let's choose this add section after. Then from here you can also write your own lyrics again if you want to do that, or you can add it as instrumental. Then from here you need to click extend. Then UDIO is going to extend that specific song into a longer music. And as you can see here, before it was 32 seconds, and now it is over 1 minute long. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!